Imagine trying to learn tennis just by looking at photographs. You might recognize the racket in the court, but you would have absolutely no idea how the ball moves through the air or how to swing to intercept it. Current robot models suffer from this exact problem. Standard VLA models trained on static images understand what objects are, but they receive no information about the physics of motion from their pre-training. To fix this, the authors propose shifting to video action models, or VAMs. Instead of just analyzing static scenes, this approach treats video generation as a dynamic plan that implicitly understands how the world evolves. The architecture pairs a massive video backbone, specifically Cosmos Predict 2, with a lightweight action decoder. By using flow matching, the system predicts a future video path and translates it into physical motor commands. A key innovation here is partial denoising. The researchers found that the robot does not need a perfect high-definition video to act. It actually performs better and faster using a fuzzy, noisy prediction of the future. The training process is split into two distinct phases. First, the video model is fine-tuned to understand the robot's specific workspace, and then it is frozen while the action decoder learns to map those visual features to controls. This figure illustrates that complete pipeline. You can see how the pre-trained backbone generates a latent video plan on the left, which the action head on the right then decodes into precise joint movements for the robot. This strategy drastically improves efficiency. The method is 10 times more sample efficient than standard baselines, meaning it learns robust behaviors while using 90% less expensive robot data. Beyond efficiency, the model achieves state-of-the-art results on benchmarks like simpler. Interestingly, an Oracle test showed that if the generated video plan is perfect, the robot succeeds 100% of the time. To learn more about this paper and other important new research, head to emergentmind.com.